Hi. There's a bird in my house. I'm trying. I should get off the phone because he just flew down. Yeah. He's sitting on a picture frame right now. It's just a little, like a chickadee, kind of. Yeah. Oh, yay! He just left. Good bird. Yay, you're free. Now don't come back. Go. Go. He's tired. Poor little baby. Oh, he's sitting on my roof just like, what the hell? What the hell just happened? He was really tired. He was bumping into the TV and the stereos and everything. Poor thing. Oh, there he goes. Okay, he just went up to the tree.